Sierra, Yankee Alpha Charlie.
Yankee Alpha Charlie, copied.
Thank you very much, sir.
Foxtrot Yankee Papa, final runway 26.
Foxtrot Yankee Papa, clear to land, runway 26. The surface wind is 270 degrees at 10 knots.
Clear to land, runway 26, Foxtrot Yankee Papa.
Darling 469, bay number 7.
Link 469, say again.
Bay number 7.
Bay 7, copied, ma'am. Runway 239, descend out to 2,500 feet.
2,500 feet, come 239.
In the Alpha Echo, continue inbound to the Swartkops River mouth, report at the Swartkops River mouth.
Continue inbound and report at Swartkops River mouth in the Alpha Echo.
Come 239, descend to 2,000 feet. Do you have the field inside?
Descend at 2,000 feet, we have it at front, thanks, come 239.
Come 239, clear the visual approach right hand, runway 26, report final.
Clear for the right hand visual approach, runway 26, we'll call you establish on final, come 239.
Come 239, break. Foxtrot Yankee Papa, turn right, Alpha 3. All short Alpha, report ready to cross.
Target right, Alpha 3, and we'll report ready to cross Alpha, Foxtrot Yankee Papa.
Foxtrot Yankee Papa.